Hi everyone, and I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you how I service my machine in order to make it work perfectly. If you are doing this to your machine once or twice a month, it's not going to be giving you any problem, and you won't have any reason to take it to any repairer. I've been using this machine for the past 4 years now, and trust me, I've never taken it to anybody to repair it for me. It has never developed a fault or anything. First of all, as you're seeing the video, make sure you clean every dirt you might be seeing. Clean every dirt, the underneath, the where the riller is, where we pass the thread, everywhere. Make sure you clean the old dirt there, and pack all the bolts in the side so that you won't have the reason to be looking for them. As you can see, mine is a bit dirty because I've been so busy and I've not been able to clean it. Moving forward, I'll be using a machine oil. I think I am so sure that every one of us have this machine oil. It is very important. If your machine has been giving you a lot of faults lately, probably you are not adding enough oil to it. Make sure you put oil on where the bolts, all the tightenings, all the screws underneath this machine, everywhere. Make sure you have the oil to it. After you are done with that, move to the other side where you feel like it's needed to add the oil. I'm going to be showing everything here as well. And if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button now and subscribe. You can see that I am adding the hole to all the screw, all the nuts, everywhere around the underneath. If you are doing this to your machine twice or once a month, it's going to be working perfectly. The first thing you need to ensure is there's no dirt under where the, I don't know what it's called, but where we always put our reel, the shuttle. Make sure there's no dirt there. If there is dirt, your thread will be cutting and you won't have access to sew like you want to. So you can see where I'm adding oil as well. Make sure you add oil to everywhere, and if you have to use this machine that day, make sure you do this a day before so it won't stain the clothes or fabric you might be working on. After you are done putting or adding oil to every part, and make sure you just not all the bolts you unscrew immediately so you won't have any reason to be looking for the bolts. That particular place that I am touching, make sure you add oil to it and check if the bolt is still tight, because if that area, if the bolt is loose, your the machine will not move on its own. It will not move freely. You'll be needing to drag the fabric in, well, like forcefully. But if that place is not perfectly, if it's not in a loose form, then it will work perfectly. Make sure you add machine oil to that part. Every part that I'm showing here in this video, make sure you add the machine oil to it. Check if there is no thread around the side, around that wheel. So if there's no thread there, your machine will move perfectly. Here I'm trying to clean the dirt that is there, although it's not going to affect it, but I always like my machine to be as clean as possible. Most importantly, if you clean your machine every time, your sewing machine, probably once or twice a week, you just clean it, you remove all the necessary dirt without you putting oil, it's going to give you a perfect, like a perfect service. Hello everyone, my name is Zaina Bibire. I'm the one behind Bibire Stitches. Please, if you are to subscribe to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to my channel. I've been on YouTube for how many, like for a year now, and I've not even gotten up to 1,000 subscribers. If you are seeing this video now, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, as they say. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, please. So this is after I'm done putting oil, I'm replacing all the stuffs I removed there, and I'm going to be testing it now. Don't mind me, I was talking with my husband there. You can see my lips moving. And another thing is, in this video I used a spoon to unscrew the nuts because I couldn't find all my screwdrivers, so I have to just improvise. Make sure you add oil to that place as well. I'm so shy. I think that's all for today. I'll be sharing with you how you can also service industrial as well in my next video, or probably when I have the chance to. Thanks for watching. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe to my channel in order to see my next video. Comment, share, and like. Thank you. Bye.